Hello everyone, I am Trivedi Rudraksh, and in this video I am going to talk about a very most important topic, knowledge development and career growth. In today's world where everything changes too quickly, knowledge has become the most powerful tool for personal and professional success. And second topic, what is knowledge development? Knowledge development means learning a new things, gaining new experience, and improving our understanding every day. It's not just about studying books, it's about developed skill, creative, and a positive mindset that helps us solve real life problems. When we keep learning, we stay updated with a new technology, innovations, and ideas. Second topic, how to knowledge help career growth. Career growth dependent on how too much we are willing to learning and improve. When we gain more knowledge, we make better decisions, solve challenges faster, and work more effectively. This makes us more valuable in a professional. Knowledge gives us confidence to take new opportunity and to move forward to avoid success. And third, ways to develop knowledge. There are many ways to develop knowledge. Reading books, articles, and journals. Attending online course or workshops. Learning from mentors, teachers, and real life experience. Sharing what we knowledge with others become teaching also help us grow. And in the end, knowledge development is a lifelong journey. It help, help us grow personally and professionally. The more we learning, the more we achieve. So never stop learning because your career grow only when your knowledge grow. Thank you. Once again, I am Trivedi Rudraksh and this was my talk on knowledge development and career growth.